Hey, what's up? I just got back from work. Said I was gonna spit a freestyle a while back. Don't know if you guys remember. Like it? Here it goes. Sit back, take a lesson while I'm spitting, have a session, roll that kush, no confession, blaze blunts, whole selection, grind that shit, chop it up, pack a bone up, light it up, motherfucking green dope, yeah, ain't a vessel sub, bong blast, high at last, next up, blaze fast, smoking vessel, fuck the rest, grade A nonetheless, chocolate flavor, purple haze, forget the names, let's blaze, cook for days, so much weed, got your craze faced. Holy fuck. Don't hate, man. Rate, comment, whatever, fuck it. Hope you liked it.